Hi. Today, we are going to understand how we can color a text to look at more beautiful, or how we can color the sections of the environment that is around here, how we can color the cells. Yeah. So it's more to do with coloring of your data or the information that is available. So to emphasize something, or just for the sake of formatting so that it looks beautiful when you're presenting it to someone. So what we are going to look today is about formatting your fonts and the background around it. So I have this data. Suppose I want to format the headings of this particular data so that it looks out separately and looks beautiful. Yeah, yeah. So what I can do is I can straight away open the coloring options from my format window. Yeah, if you remember how we opened the format window through an on-screen keyboard. Yeah. So let's open the on-screen keyboard. And if you remember, our shortcut key was Control 1. So if I have to open the format window once again, so I'll say Control 1. So this opens the formatting window. Here we have two options which we can use. First is the font option to color the font, where we have different types of option to color the fonts. So there are various colors available. We can do it in another way. I'll show that as well. Second is to fill the background. So for which we'll use the fill option, which is available here. Yeah. Right now, I just showed you how to open this window because everything is over here. Whether I have to color the font or I have to fill the font. Okay, fill the background. Yeah. Now, the same action can be done from the home ribbon or home tab on the ribbon that is available, which is in the font window. So we have these two options. First is for your background coloring, and second option is for your font coloring. So let's explore this quickly because these are quickly accessible commands from the window itself. I'll just close this screen on-screen keyboard because we do not have a use of it as of now. So let's color the fonts. So what we do is first we need to select the font that we want to change or we want to color. Yeah. So I selected the heading which we wanted to color. Suppose I may want to make the background as light green. So I'll straight away go and select light green from here. So you can see the background is colored here. Now I want the font to be uh, red. So I go to the font section, which is font command, which is available. Click on it and click on red. So you see, this was very, very simple in which we can play around with your colors to make this data look beautiful when you're presenting it, or if you want to emphasize something in your data. Okay. Now, in order to open the window, that in order to look at the various options available, we just click on the arrow which is at the corner. So let me show you again. So this is the arrow to open the formatting window that we opened using the Control 1 option. Yeah. So if I click on Control 1 on my keyboard, Control 1 on my keyboard, it will open this window. Same way, this window can be opened using this particular arrow, which is available on the font group. So this is the font group. And at the bottom corner, we have this arrow. Yeah. So we need to click on that arrow to open the formatting window. Yeah. We have previously used number, alignment. Yeah. Today we'll check on the font and font coloring from the font option and the fill. Okay, now there are various options. Let's explore the various options that are available from here. Okay, so the various options that are available, first of all, is the color. Whatever you do, there is a sample data which will be available here. So if I'll just select the data at the background. Yeah, I'll open the format window. I go to the font and you'll see whatever I have done. So I have made the font as red. So it is showing here in this preview, it is showing the font as red. So as soon as I change any color on the font, it will keep on changing that as well. So you see this? Again, I make it black. The font is black. Or if I want to make it, it will not apply. It's the font on the screen, if you see here, it is still red. Yeah, unless and until I apply it, it will not go. So I'm just checking how it will look like when I keep on changing the colors. So I'm making it red once again. Yeah, or I can make it dark green. Yeah, or I can make it what, blue. Yeah, I say okay. So accordingly, the fonts are changed. Yeah, you can see this. So this is how you can change the font which is available. So from this particular command over here, the font color can be changed and you have various custom colors which you can use. So if I click here, so if I click here on the arrow next to it, it gives me the standard colors that are available. Apart from this, these are theme of colors which you can use. If you do not want these colors, it can have a lot of other colors that are available by which you can click by using the more colors option. So there are a lot of colors which you can use, customize it according to your probably your company's logo. Yeah, you can put down the numbers of your colors which you can get from your marketing team and put down here to get the exact colors which are required for your fonts. There are some standard colors which you can apply directly to your fonts. Yeah. And these are custom. So you can use custom colors as in how you like from here and customize your color to get the necessary font color. If I say okay, it will apply that color. Okay. So this was the font color option. Next is the fill. It again, this particular option, the fill option, which will fill the color at the background. So if I select the data here again, and if I go to fill colors, it gives me all the same options. So if I do not, I want to remove all the fill that is available, I'll just click on no fill. So the entire coloring has from the background has just moved off. Yeah. So let me just show you. So there's a theme of colors once again as we have for fonts. So if I just hover my mouse over here, you can see at the background, the color of the cells are changing as in how I'm move my cursor over the various colors that are available. I can get whatever colors I like. Yeah, and I can say no fill. There are recent colors if I use, there are around 10 to 15 colors that will be listed here if I have used recently so that I can choose them quickly. Apart from that, again, if I click on more colors, it will open the standard and the custom window, which you can use to customize your background colors from here. Yeah. So this is how you format your font and the background for the fonts in Excel using your formatting tool, yeah, or from the commands which are available on the home tab in the font group. Yeah. So hope you understand how we can color the fonts within Excel to make them look beautiful or emphasize something. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Yes, comment if you want me to cover any of the topics which you like to learn. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox over this entire 365 days of Excel. Thank you so much.